Today we'll talk to Basil, my personal garden advisor, on how to grow this euphorbia plant behind me. Good morning, Basil.
Hey there, how's your day going? What's on your mind today?
Good, thank you. I'd like your help to successfully grow my euphorbia swan neck plant. Can you give me some advice?
Absolutely. Euphorbia swan neck is a striking plant. Since it's already in a shaded area, it's good to know that it generally prefers partial shade to full sun. Here are a few tips to help it thrive. 1. Soil and drainage. Euphorbias prefer well-drained soil. If the soil in your garden is heavy clay, consider adding some grit or organic matter to improve drainage. 2. Watering. Once established, they are quite drought tolerant. Water thoroughly, but allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. 3. Pruning. You can trim back the flowered stems to maintain the plant's shape and encourage new growth. Be sure to wear gloves because the sap can be irritating. 4. Winter care. Although hardy, it's a good idea to protect the plant from excessive winter wet, which can cause problems. Mulching around the base can help protect the roots. 5. Fertilizing. They don't require much feeding. A light application of a balanced fertilizer in the spring should suffice. With these tips, your Euphorbia swan neck should be well on its way to becoming a stunning feature in your garden.
Lovely. Thank you very much for your help, Basil.
You're very welcome. If you have any more questions about gardening or anything else, feel free to ask. Enjoy nurturing your Euphorbia swan neck.
So, this is how you can use ChatGPT to help you with all your gardening questions. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that for it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already for more super cool tips like this.